Hi everybody. I hope you enjoyed the book about the dinosaurs. Great reading, everyone. Now we're going to make our craft. And our craft is based on the new word that we learned, at least for summer session, because we have heard this before. I know Miss Roseanne's class has done fossil digging for science. So our craft is going to be based on fossils, okay? So we're gonna start by getting our supplies. You need markers. Not many markers today. You really just need one or two. One brown one, and I guess one to trace. You need 2 pieces of paper, possibly a pencil or a pen, a glue stick, and a scissor. All right. So now once you have all your supplies, we're gonna have our blank piece of paper. And to make our fossil, we're going to make a rock that has a fossil in it, okay? And it's also gonna serve as a little booklet that we can write in. So we're going to take our piece of paper and fold it exactly in half. Just like this. And the first thing we're going to do is make our rock. So how we're going to make our rock is we're going to start with the open side on top and draw our rock this way. Okay, I will draw it and then I'll show you. I'm gonna make a big rock. Okay, so this is Miss Josie's rock. Okay. This is the closed side and you just make your rock like that. Okay. Once you're done, you cut out your rock. Now the open side, don't cut it out, okay? You're just gonna cut along the lines like that, so that we leave it like a little booklet. So here's our rock, and we need to color our rock brown or grayish, whatever color rock you'd like. Miss Josie's gonna color mine brown. Now we have to think about what part of the dinosaur did we find when we went fossil digging. Did we find a little footprint? Did we find a bone? You can choose what you found. This is my finished colored rock. Okay? So I think I'm going to choose that I found a fossil foot. So it's the foot of a dinosaur. Okay? You could also choose a bone. Let's see if we do this. Okay? You could do a bone. Maybe one bone. Here's the bones. Okay, I'll draw both for you, but I'm gonna do a foot. Okay. So, the fossil that I found when I went digging was a footprint of the foot of a dinosaur. Now maybe this was a baby dinosaur, because it's going to be pretty small. We don't know when we find a fossil what it is, until a scientist is able to make that decision, okay? This isn't the best foot, but that's what my foot looks like. If you want to make a bone, you can make a bone. Also, not the best bone, but now remember, you have to make it small enough so that it fits on here. Miss Josie did not do that. So I'm going to redraw my foot and make it a little smaller. Now I have to look at it while I draw it. Boy, this really doesn't look like a foot. But I tried, right? There's my smaller foot. Okay, now we're gonna not color this in. We're gonna keep it white and we're gonna cut it out. Once we cut it out, whether it's a bone or a foot, we're gonna glue it to our rock. So now there's our fossil. Now why do you think Miss Josie asked you to make it like this? Because there's a little booklet, right? Why do you think I asked you to make a little booklet? Do you think I want you to write something on the inside? Or draw something on the inside? Or do you think I want you to just leave it like this? Okay, so you can either draw or write something on the inside. If you can draw, go ahead and begin drawing. But if you can write, which means I need Narula, Francesca, Rodrigo, Isaiah, who else? Adnan. I need you all to write, okay? Yerbury can draw. Andrew can draw. You can draw your favorite dinosaur on the inside. But the others that I mentioned that can write, we're going to write the definition of a fossil on the inside of the rock. Okay? So Miss Josie already wrote it out. And the definition is dinosaur bones that have been discovered in earth and rock. Okay? So you can write this right on the inside. Dinosaur bones that have been discovered in earth and rock. You can write that on the inside. Now remember, if you can't write and you need to draw, that's fine. You can draw another fossil. You can draw your favorite dinosaur. So Angie and Yerbury, you can draw on the inside. Or mommy, daddy, or a brother or sister can trace the words on the inside in yellow or in orange, and you can trace on top of it. All right? And this is our finished fossil bone on a rock or in a rock.